For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, dreaming of exploring other worlds. Mars has long been seen as the most likely candidate for human colonization. But what if the future of humanity isn't on Mars, but rather in the distant reaches of space, around Proxima Centauri? In this video, we'll dive into why Proxima Centauri B might be a more viable option for humanity's future than Mars itself. Let's explore the science, the challenges, and the possibilities of these two worlds. Mars has long been humanity's closest neighbor, offering relatively easy access compared to distant exoplanets. With its gravity, day length, and resources like water ice, Mars has been the front-runner in our quest for colonization. NASA's Perseverance rover and SpaceX's ambitious Mars missions have kept this red planet at the forefront of our minds. But is Mars truly the best option for our future? Proxima Centauri B orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun, located just over 4 light-years away. Discovered in 2016, it's within the habitable zone of its star, meaning it could potentially support liquid water, one of the key ingredients for life. But is this distant exoplanet truly more hospitable than Mars? When it comes to climate, Mars presents significant challenges. It's cold, with temperatures averaging -80 degrees Fahrenheit, and its thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful radiation. Although we've discovered water ice on Mars, its atmosphere is too thin to support liquid water for long periods, and dust storms can cover the planet for months. On the other hand, Proxima Centauri B may have a more stable environment. It's in the habitable zone, meaning it could theoretically have liquid water. The issue? Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, known for emitting frequent solar flares, which could pose a challenge for life. Still, researchers are optimistic that Proxima Centauri B's potential could surpass Mars if we can overcome these challenges. Gravity is another key factor in determining a world's long-term viability for human life. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity, which could result in serious health issues for long-term residents: bone density loss, muscle atrophy, and problems with the cardiovascular system. Proxima Centauri B's gravity is still a mystery, but it's likely to be closer to Earth's, which would be far better for maintaining human health over generations. This gives Proxima Centauri B a significant advantage in terms of human adaptation. Another consideration is accessibility. A trip to Mars would take about 6 to 9 months with current technology, making it a more immediate goal for space agencies and private companies like SpaceX. However, traveling to Proxima Centauri B would take years, even with the fastest spacecraft we have today. The prospect of reaching this distant exoplanet is challenging, requiring new propulsion systems and technology we haven't developed yet. This is one area where Mars takes the lead, but Proxima Centauri B still holds the potential for long-term expansion, especially if we develop faster interstellar travel. Sustainability is a key concern for any space colony. Mars has resources like water ice, but extracting them would require significant effort and energy. Proxima Centauri B, being in the habitable zone, might have a wider range of potential resources, including liquid water and possibly even alien life forms or ecosystems. Its atmosphere could be more conducive to agriculture, and there may be untapped natural resources we could use to create a sustainable society. While it's still speculative, the prospects for Proxima Centauri B may far outweigh Mars in the long term. So, what does humanity really want from our future home in space? Do we want a challenging but close destination like Mars, where we can quickly plant our flag? Or do we want a world like Proxima Centauri B, a more distant but potentially more habitable option for long-term survival? In the end, the answer may lie in combining both. Mars could serve as a stepping stone for humanity, while Proxima Centauri B could be the next frontier, offering us a second chance to thrive as a species. Mars may be our first step toward becoming a multiplanetary species, but Proxima Centauri B represents the next giant leap in our quest for survival and discovery. While the challenges are immense, the rewards could be far greater. Perhaps in the distant future, humanity will find that the stars themselves are within our reach. The journey to Proxima Centauri B might be long, but it may ultimately prove to be worth every light year.